To manage winter road maintenance effectively, getting the right insights to the right people at the right time can make all the difference in meeting your goals, improving road safety, sustainability, and accessibility. Vaisala's proven road weather technologies are built on nearly 90 years of expertise and innovation. We understand the importance of accurate and reliable data to generate actionable insights. Our suite of world-class road weather sensors and stations, IoT infill sensors, and mobile sensors can be combined to fit the needs and challenges of your road network in a cost-efficient way. This hybrid approach to winter maintenance combines all the data from your local sensors with our sophisticated road weather forecasting and intuitive visualization tools, and provides you with full awareness of current and future road weather conditions across your network to make confident, data-driven decisions. Armed with actionable insight, you can target treatments precisely where needed, reduce the environmental impact, and enhance road user safety. Get a step ahead in managing winter road maintenance at vaisala.com/winter maintenance.